As the bell rings, remember that there's no guarantee anyone will walk out of this with their careers intact.
He's going to destroy this man. Another neck breaker. Oh, what a painful kick.
And a jaw-jacking punch.
Did you hear how his leg connected? Ouch. You can hear that in different time zones. And Mr. Amazing comes up with a counter. He's putting those educated feet to good use. Reversal. Look out! Headbutt! The Soldier answers back. And did you hear the impact on that kick? There's going to be a lot of offense in this match. Did you hear how his leg connected? What a punch!
Nice reversal.
Oh, mama! Ooh, that big right hand driven right into the rib cage. Boy, he was able to reverse it and get out of that.
Once again, thank you for tuning in for NXT. What a fierce kick.
He's putting those educated feet to good use. And the Soldier blocks it. Uh-oh, it might be time to run. Go for it. Oh, wait, nice reversal.
He's trying to fight back here. Can he do it?
Oh, he's got his opponent, and what's he going for here?
And there's an amazing counter.
Did you hear how his leg connected? Oh, right to the gut. He was able to reverse that.
These competitors trying to keep their wits about them. And he dodges that one.
He was able to reverse it and get out of that. Man, this has been a great matchup. Uh-oh. Get him. Oh, my gosh, big-time impact. The Soldier answers back. Oh, man. He landed right on his neck from that German suplex.
He has just been punished in this one. The physical.
Whoa, watch out. The announce table is getting torn down.
Blocked.
Watch this.
And now, looking to put him away.
2. And Mr. Amazing comes up with a counter.
I'm warning you, keep it up.
I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next.
4.
This is it.
Oh, through the barricade. Oh, my God. They destroyed the barricade.
6.
Back into the ring now.
7.
We're up to 7.
Come on, get back in the ring. 8.
Back into the ring now.
What a hellaciously physical match these gladiators have put each other through. The intensity in this has been incredible.
Oh, out of nowhere. What a haymaker. A huge right hand. Oh, submission. The hold's locked in. Look at him trying to use all the strength and power he can muster to escape this. He's putting those educated feet to good use. He was able to reverse that.
Too slow. Here we go. Here we go. He's hanging on for dear life. This hold is locked in really good.
Yeah, he's got to get the pressure off somehow. And he missed.
And that punch lands hard.
Boy, this has just been pandemonium. Boy, Boy, he was able to reverse it and get out of that. Submission holds locked in, and he's in big trouble. Great hold being applied.
Just a dominating display.
Yeah, I think we could see a lot of punishment inflicted here. Nice reversal there. He's in a world of trouble. Much more of this, and I doubt he'll be able to continue.
You can see the wear and tear that this fight has taken out of these men. Nobody home for that one.
He may have to tap out right here. He's wearing him down with a very effective submission hold. This arena starting to come together in support. They're urging him to turn it around. Uh-oh,
Trying to put him away.
and the soldier blocks it. Look out. Oh, man, that could very well be the end of it right there.
What a reversal.
Oh, no, that slam didn't look pretty. Wow, listen to this WWE Universe. They're calling for him to rally. Oh, this isn't good.
Narrowly avoids the attack there. I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical.
Oh, come on now. That was just uncalled for.
And there's an amazing counter. At what point, King, do those thoughts creep in of, what do I have to do to put this match to rest?
And I don't know. I don't know as a WWE superstar if you ever have those thoughts of self-doubt.
I don't know how he can counter this. I don't know how he's going to get out of this here.
This arena starting to come together in support.
The match is over. That's all she wrote.
Here is your winner, Adam.
Wow, what a match. What an effort by these combatants.
And boy, did that submission hold look painful.